8762. So if you take a look at this new door, I had to make it the exact thickness because the first floor door is actually has a thinner door frame on the right, and have to cut a small piece of cardboard. It's bent right here, but I think that shouldn't be an issue because it's just like halfway. Yeah, this shouldn't be a problem. So next what we need to do is install this here. If you take a look here, that beam has to be replaced. But what we're gonna do is install the panel first, and then this, assuming we can go ahead and readjust this piece right here. So it's supposed to go here, and if you take a look here, this, let me tell this go more, and this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take a look over here, let's see if it's not at an angle. And I can tell that it's kind of at an angle, so we have to move it a little bit this way. See that panel way down there? It is at an angle, tiny bit. So we have to move it this way, to the left. So, down there. This panel is also kind of, well, you know what, can't move it anymore because this piece of cardboard was installed on the side, not on top actually, creating a gap right there. So it's because this part was added later on, I think in late February or early March. In mid-February I started building this right here. And take a look at the corner. We have to enclose this somehow. Right, well, it's time to stay like that then. Because I can't, you know. Yeah. There's a gap right there, and I cannot move that second piece of cardboard because it's already permanently attached to that structure of the building. Well, I didn't take this more, so apparently I did miss some spots when I was replacing the entire garage, so I'm going to fix that right now.